Welcome! In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to prevent anyone from seeing your profile photo on the Telegram app for PC. If you value privacy and want to keep your profile image hidden, Telegram's latest update makes it super simple to control who can view it. Let's get started right away. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three lines icon. This will bring up a side menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings. When the Settings window appears, you'll see different categories to choose from. Click on Privacy and Security, where all your privacy controls are located. This is the section where you can decide who can contact you, who can add you to groups, and, most importantly, who can view your profile photos. Next, find and click on the option labeled Profile Photos.telegram. Lets you choose whether everyone, your contacts, or nobody can see your profile picture. To make sure no one can view it, simply select Nobody. This option ensures that even if someone searches for you or opens your chat, your profile photo will stay completely private. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save. This step locks in your new setting and immediately applies the change. Now your profile photo will be invisible to everyone.